In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Smartsheet with attachments efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're archiving projects, sharing data with colleagues, or just need a local backup, exporting your work from Smartsheet can be a breeze once you know the steps. Let's walk through this process together. To begin, open your Smartsheet, which contains all the information you want to export. Once you're in, focus your attention on the upper left-hand corner where you'll find the File menu. Click on this, and a drop-down will appear, showing various options. From these options, select Export, and then choose Export to Excel. This step will create an Excel file of your Smartsheet data, perfect for offline viewing or sharing with team members who may not have access to Smartsheet. Now, let's move on to downloading all attachments associated with this sheet. Look towards the right panel area where you will see an icon resembling a paperclip, usually known as the Attachments icon. Click on this, and a panel should open, revealing all attachments linked to your current sheet. This is a convenient feature, especially when dealing with extensive projects where files are routinely attached to rows for better context and organization. With the Attachments panel open, you'll likely notice a Select All checkbox. Click it if you want to download every single attachment from the entire sheet. If you're looking for a specific file, you still have the flexibility to choose individual files. But for our full export goal today, we will use the Select All checkbox to grab everything. Next to the checkbox, you'll see a menu represented by 3 dots, commonly referred to as the menu's drop-down. Click on this, and among the menu options, you'll see Download All Attachments. Select this option. What Smartsheet will do next is fairly straightforward, but very handy. It begins compiling all those attachments into a zip file, which then downloads to your default Downloads folder, or whichever path you've set for your browser. These attachments are conveniently grouped into folders per row, which helps maintain some of the organizational structure you're accustomed to within Smartsheet. However, it's important to note that while Smartsheet makes an effort to retain the original row structure, the zip file may not preserve it perfectly. This is due to how the exported data is formatted, but rest assured, each file will still be at your disposal and easily identifiable. And there you have it. By the end of this straightforward guide, you've successfully exported your Smartsheet data into an Excel file and compiled all your attachments into a neatly organized zip file. Remember, exporting your work helps you keep your projects accessible and safe, just in case you need them without internet access or outside the Smartsheet environment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity.